Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make some skirt steak on the stove with peppers and onions sauteed in gravy. Yes, skirt steak with peppers, onions, and gravy. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so let's do it. You know what? I'm going to show you, and you're going to have your mouth watering, and you're going to be ready to try this, okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay, so I have here 3 large onions cut up, and let me make sure that you can see the frying pan here. The most important thing. Okay, so I'm going to put the onions in. And I have just enough oil to cover the bottom of the frying pan. I may have to add some more as it absorbs, but we'll see. Okay, and this is 3 red peppers cut up. Okay, I'm going to put that in. So you can see the frying pan is full. This is a lot. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to put the top on it, and I'm going to let that cook for about 5 minutes, and I'll see you back in 5. Thank you. Okay, so our peppers and onions have been cooking for 5 minutes. I did turn it 1 time. Okay, so let's look at it now. Now we're going to put some seasoning on it. I'm going to put some garlic salt on there. Garlic powder. I'm sorry, garlic salt. I kept switching. It's garlic. Ground garlic is what it is, which is not salt. Okay, black pepper. And some Lowry seasoning salt. Okay, let's mix that up. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook for maybe another 3 minutes, and then I'm going to take that out, and then we're going to cook our steak, okay? Alright, be back in 3. Okay, so I came to give you the word of the day, okay? Time. Time is the word of the day. We always seem to run out of time. It's never enough time when you wake up in the morning. It's never enough time when you got to go to an appointment. It's never enough time when you're at work and you're on your lunch break. It's never enough time that you can spend with your loved ones. It's never enough time, and the next thing you know, your kids are grown and out the door. It's just never enough time. How can we get back time? Well, we can't. But what we can do is to make the best of whatever time we have left. So if you're going to go on your lunch break at work, maybe you can get your food and order it and all that before you decide that you're going to go on break, so that that's already ready, you know, in your lunch box or whatever, okay? Or if you're going to order it ahead of time so that when it comes time for your lunch break, it's already there. You have that whole period to enjoy your break. Or if you're raising your kids, spend time with them, because then you don't have to worry about later on you wish you had that time back. Get time back on your side. You can do it, okay? By seizing the moment now, okay? Or maybe you need to get up an hour earlier in the morning before you go to work so that you can enjoy you. Take back that time. All right, the word of the day was time. Time, time, time. We need more time. Okay, that's the word of the day. Okay, let's check on our peppers and onions. Okay guys, that's good enough. We don't want it all the way done because we're going to add it to our steak. So I'm going to take them out. Let me move this down and let you see what I'm doing. I'm just going to put them in this bowl. Okay, that's what our peppers and onions are looking like. Okay. Okay, so now this is our skirt steak that I cut up. It comes in long strips. You ever eat cube steak? Well, this is what they make cube steak from. They make it from skirt steak, okay? Skirt steak. All right. So now we're going to put it in the same oil and broth that we took the onions and peppers out of in the frying pan. All right. So let's do that. Fire it back on. And you don't have to cook this steak long. Okay, we'll give that a chance to get started. And we'll be back in 3 minutes. Okay, thank you. Let me turn you to the frying pan. The steak is in here. And we'll be back in 3 minutes. Thanks. Okay, so the steak has been cooking for about maybe, I'd say 4 to 5 minutes with a cover over it, okay? So now I just want to turn it over. Remember I said you don't have to cook this long. Okay, I'm going to cover it over again. We'll let that cook for another 3 minutes, okay? And we'll be back. Okay, so we've been cooking now for about 9 minutes. I want to re-season, okay? So I'm going to add some more Larry seasoning salt. Some more garlic. and some more pepper. And the reason why I'm re-seasoning is sometimes when you have a bunch of meat together, it doesn't, all the meat don't get seasoned properly. So once you re-season it, you're sure to increase the chances of all the meat being properly seasoned. Okay, so we're done cooking that. So now I want to add 2 packages of brown gravy. I have 2 packages, okay? Alright, so let's add that. I'm going to add it right over the meat. And be ready immediately to put your water in once you mix it. Okay, so now the gravy's in. We're going to mix that right in the broth. And that's going to get pretty thick pretty fast. Okay, it's thick. There's no more liquid there, so I need to add my water. I got a 6-ounce glass of water. This is about 4 ounces. I'm going to let that heat back up, and the gravy should mix in with the water, and the whole thing should be a thick gravy. Not too thick, but let's see. Sort of like pancake mix. We're going to let this come up to a boil again with the sauteed onions and peppers. You see that? I'm going to add that to the mix. Oh yeah, guys. That's it. She's done. So let me put some on a plate and let you take a look, okay? Alright. I can cut my fire off because it's all done. So let me get a plate. 1 second. Okay guys, here you go. Skirt steak with peppers and onions. Oh boy, look at that, will you please? And gravy. Okay. Now let me see if I can get a thumbnail. Maybe. We'll see. Thumbnail. Ah! How about that? I had to bend down, guys. Thumbnail. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to take a fork and taste one piece. That's it. For you to see. I can't get it. I just want to taste just one piece for you to see. Wait. There we go. Oh, camera can't see. There we go. While I'm waiting on this this spoon of, oh, not spoon, Jesus. The fork full to cool down. Let me just tell you a little bit, okay? Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I know you'll like this one because you love steak. Okay, share the video. This was what? Tops 15 minutes. Okay, maybe 20 when we count up the time we cut up the peppers and the onions. 20-minute deal, and you're done. Great deal, right? Okay, share the video. What are you waiting on to subscribe? If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, okay? And check out the links below. I thank you all in advance for all those who have donated to help support this channel. And I love you all in every way, okay? Okay, so let's see. The steak is so tender. My. You're gonna love it. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.